Good morning, guys. You are in Education First, and I'm going to teach you stack implementations. Now begin with now let's begin with difference between data types and data structure. Data types are basically a type of value that we can store and perform operations on. Int and floats are example of data types. You are very familiar with it. And data structures are physical implementation that clearly defines a way of storing, accessing, and manipulation. You can think data structure as a rule that we use uh, to work on stack or queue. That are its example. Stack is a linear structure that stores data in last in first out manner. When an element is added on top of stack, it is called push operation. When an element is removed from top of the stack, it is called pop operation. Now let's see few diagrammatic examples. So it's a empty stack which is a list, and then we have done our first push operation. We have pushed element 1, then we have again done pushed operation, pushed an element 2, then we have again done push operation, pushed an element 3, and here we have done a pop operation. So the last one that was in here is first one to go out. This is the rule of stack data structure. This is a real life example of stack, a stack of chapati. It also follows rule last in goes first first out. Now let's see another example. This is a stack of chair. Here also last in goes first out. Now let's see one more example, stack of books. Here also the book that we keep at last is the first one to go out. So it also follows last in first out.